Good afternoon, I'm Valerie Strong with the Marion County Sheriff's Office bringing you your daily crime report. TGIF and Captain Pogue is back on Monday. We're going to start off today with someone entered the maintenance barn of the Huntington Golf Club and stole a 2014 Yamaha golf cart. Total loss there was $3,000. Then we had 3 rings valued at $8,500 were stolen from a home in the 10,900 block of Southwest 86th Terrace, that's in Oak Run. Someone entered the boat storage area of Del Webb and stole a radio valued at $100. Then we received a call about a woman slumped over her steering wheel in the 16,800 block of Southeast 272nd Court in Umatilla. Deputy Miller and Marion County Fire Rescue responded. Deputy Miller noticed a bag of methamphetamine on the driver, Carrie Bradway, 39 years of age's lap as they tried to wake her. When she awoke, she exited the vehicle and a second bag of meth was located under her leg. She was cleared and then transported to jail for possession of methamphetamine. Detective Bustamante conducted a traffic stop on West State Road 40. Upon contact with the driver, Kenneth Palma, 49, it was determined that his license was suspended. Kenneth refused to comply with Detective Bustamante and struck him in the face and then sped off. A warrant has been issued for his arrest. Then we have Julia Hesse, 32. She arrived at Gator Joe's on Southeast 135th Court intoxicated. During her visit, she became hostile and started throwing magazine racks around in the dining area. When Deputy Mitchell arrived and attempted to place Julia under arrest, she began to struggle, attempting to break free. Once in handcuffs, she was escorted to the patrol vehicle, at which time she kicked Deputy Mitchell in the chest when being placed in the back seat. She was arrested for disorderly conduct and battery on a Leo. That's all for today. Like us, share us. Have a happy and safe weekend, and we'll see you back on Monday.